Alright, so this the latest update. They still coming in strong. I had to really do some, man. Got some webbing. Gotta get me some dust, man. I'm going to get some dust in a moment, so I can kind of fight off these bugs. I ain't really had much of a bug issue, but I just want to stay. I want to keep it that way, you know. Got some nice lemon boys coming in, and one thing I've learned is if they split. If you see your tomatoes coming in split, I mean there was either excessive watering or a drought between watering. You know, so it was either too much water or not enough water that may cause it to crack and split. But you can think about that like your skin. When your skin gets dry and it needs some oil or moisturizing. Yeah, that. But see how tall this plant is growing, and it was leaning over. So I ran out of yard stakes. So I'm gonna get some more. But I got a bunch of trees out here, so I just used a stick, man. Use nature to help nature. Had me some little twine, so I just roped it up, roped it off. But you see how tall that is. I was not thinking that these plants were gonna get that tall. I was thinking they were gonna kind of top out here and just go get wide. But that's what we're dealing with. See another cucumber now. I know that one. I need to go on and pick that one. They doing just fine. We had quite a bit of rain yesterday, so we had to come out here and check on the garden and what's growing, what's going. All right, so that's that. Gotta trim back my mosquito plants. They growing like crazy. But over here, this guy here, man, I gotta get another fan trellis, man. I was gonna get one. And I decided not to, but I'm gonna have to get it. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna put it right here. I was thinking about over here. I think I'm gonna put it right here because I got some things going on right here that I had to get off of that because you see how low that one is to the ground. I don't want it to be low to the ground so the bugs and stuff can get to it. But probably gonna get me a fan trellis in a moment here. But that's that. Tomato, I had to straighten it up, man. It was laying down because, like I said, the wind was blowing. We had that weather come through, and this one right here, it's starting to thrive, which I'm glad because these cherry tomatoes, I didn't think they were gonna do anything, but that's cherry, and that's cherry. This one was really looking bad. I mean, it was about that tall, and it's gotten to be this tall, about knee high. It was hanging around at ankle high. Now it's knee high. So that give you an idea about how much it's grown. Now this particular plant was actually laying down when I came out here today. And I had to stand it up and it's grown like crazy. It's another cherry. So I'm saying that as I water the stuff that is towards the bottom of the hill, with the exception of these cucumbers, they just doing their thing. They growing like crazy. That's that's Mr. Stripey. That's Lemon Boy. And this is a cherry tomato. I don't know which kind it is. I'm gonna have to, when they come in, I'm gonna have to see. But this trellis is actually too small for it. I had to catch the limbs, bind them together so they can grow upwards. So I used some rope. And then this trellis was just not holding up, so I had to give it some support off the end, off the one next to it. So see what happens with that. Lemon Boy, oh my gosh. What we gonna do with you? I think I need to tie my string a little bit tighter. Cause it was just growing crazy wild, but we got several coming in, 2, 4, 5. Growing like crazy. Growing like crazy. Had a bunch of these. Got rid of a lot of them. I need some more. And I hate that I got rid of the ones I had. I thought I had enough to do what I need to do, but I didn't. And it's just the back side of Mr. Stripey. This part here broke off, and I had to save it. It got so tall I had to put the stake in, but then I tied it to the pole and gave it some support, and it healed and continued to grow. And now we got a few tomatoes that look like they want to pop out. Remember what I said, if you see the flowers, you will soon see fruit. And this is my yard stake trellis. I'm gonna have to get some more of those, but I'm just gonna get a fan trellis like I got up there. And just see how things develop. What else? What else? I think that's about it, but I just gotta be on the lookout, man. Just gotta be on the lookout. It's gonna give me some more dirt, but I may not, so I'm just gonna let it break down. But it has helped, because I know it would be a lot more weeds on the ground if I didn't have it. But yeah, I gotta get that off the ground right here. So that's what we're dealing with, y'all. It's in the ground garden. It's in the hay bale garden. Just showing you some growth. Pick this guy and save the seeds. One more thing. I'm thinking this should be good enough, but I don't know. It may try and grow a little bit higher. But I know what I need to do to add to that. So that's just the latest update. Ooh. Yeah. All right, until next time, y'all.